Hey y'all, what's going down now? Here we are again. We're going to use our Masterbuilt this time. We're not going to fry no chicken. We're going to have a seafood boil today for y'all. Less salt, but tasting still the same. It's going to be good. Here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we're going to do some shrimps. We're going to do some lobster tails. We got some corn. We got eggs, potatoes, sausage, scallops, and some snow crabs going down. And don't forget the hen. You can't cook without the hen. So here we go, y'all. For to get this going, I got it heating up. I'm going to get it hot, get all this seasoned. Take me a drink, and we're going to come back to y'all with a seafood boil out of this world. All right? Get ready. It's going down. Peace. See ya. All right, y'all. What's going on now? What we finna do here, we're gonna put these potatoes in here. We're gonna drop these eggs off in here. All right. Put this down in the water. Let that start cooking. With that, I'm gonna drop a few garlic in here. I'm gonna put a tablespoon. Not much. This stuff is strong, they say. We're gonna see how it works. We're just gonna put a splash. Ooh. We don't want to run this up out of here. Ooh, that's strong. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna pour some seasoning in there. Ooh, yes. We're gonna let all that cook together, and then we're gonna bless it for the hens in the house with just a splash, boom, and Hennessy. And it's gonna be a Hennessy boil when we finish, y'all. And we're gonna let that simmer up till the light turn green, 20 minutes, and we're gonna come back and do what we do. We'll be back in a minute. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Aha, here we are, going down. Hey y'all, I forgot to put my lemons in here real quick. Glad I remembered. So worried about that Hennessy, I forgot to put the main ingredient. Put some lemons in here. Just drop them in there. All right, I just had to come back and do that. I didn't want to miss nothing. All right, peace. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I'm back. Now this water's boiling. I'm gonna drop, I'm gonna lift this up. Let's take a look. I'm gonna put my corn in here. Hey, that stuff is strong. I'm gonna put my sausages in here. We're gonna drop it down in there for another 10 minutes and let that cook. Let's see what we got going on. We're gonna let that marinate for 10 minutes and we'll be back to it. Let's see what we got going down in Milwaukee, y'all. Peace. We'll be back with the rest. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? Just cleaning off these snow crabs. Always clean your snow crabs off. Don't just take them out the package and put them in there. I got some time to wait, so I always like cleaning these suckers off first. You don't know what's in them packages, so make sure you go through them and clean them off real good before you put them in that water. All that good meat. Yeah. Just want to wash these down a little bit. That's all. They're about ready to go in. So I just want to make sure that they clean before we start sucking on them and biting into them. Gonna be good. Gotta be clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting to the good part right now, y'all. There we go. Don't nobody comment. Did you clean them off? You know how y'all are. Quick to say something. Want you to let you know how to wash off everything I put in there. My chicken, my fries, whatever I cook, I wash it off. Now you've seen it with your own eyes. So don't be questioning me if I washed it off, because I washed it off. All right? All right, y'all. I got my 4 sticks of butter. One little tablespoon. Put in there. Just got me a brand new one. Put that in there. This is gonna be for, just let it sit and simmer up real good. All right, then I got some few little garlic I want to put in there. This is gonna be for my butter and my seasoning that I pour on top of my seafood boil. Let it just simmer. Not too much seasoning. I don't like my seafood too seasoned. I just like to eat it with a lot of butter though. We're gonna let that cook for a minute. We're gonna drop these shrimps in here. Look at that. We're gonna put them down. Look at that there. We're gonna hold off on them scallops for a minute. Right, y'all, we're at the last step. I'm gonna drop these babies in here and see what happens. I'm gonna drop them in. Ooh-wee. Hold on, let me see something. Let me show y'all something. Look at that there, y'all. We're gonna let this cook about another 9-10 minutes. And we're gonna be ready to roll, y'all. It's gonna be on and popping in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 729 North 7th Street. Come see me. Call me first. Peace. Be back with you. All right, y'all. Last but not least, drop these in here, baby. Ooh-wee. Drop them lobster tails in there and get them going. All right, y'all. It's about to go down. It's about to go down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. With a little hen and a seafood boy, y'all. Here we go. Give me a call. 785 North 7th Street. No waiting. Call me first. Please call me first. Peace. All right, here we go. All right, y'all. Ooh, I know y'all see that steam up there. Ooh, I know y'all see that steam up there. I don't know this. Hey, this is my first time doing it in my little toy, my Masterbuilt. So I don't know what's gonna turn out. If I left it in there too long or too short, I was just going for something to see what was us, see what it was, see what it's gonna be like. So I'm finna pull it out, slip it in here, and let's see what we got, y'all. Hold on, y'all. All right, here we go. Ooh. Uh-oh, sorry. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. I got you gotta hand me something to get these a few sausages floating in here, over there. All right, y'all. Can y'all see this? I want to know if y'all can really see what we just came up with. I just want to see if y'all got a close view on this seafood boil we did. Look here. The lobster, the eggs, the potatoes, the crab legs, the sausages, the corn. I made my own butter. I'm just gonna dip it in here. And then I'm just gonna try to pour it. Just pour it. Don't be mad at me, y'all. Don't be mad at me. You gotta live once in your life. You gotta live once. You don't know when tomorrow's guaranteed to y'all, man. If you get a chance to have some fun and do something exciting and explore and just go for it, just go for it, man. Don't wait till tomorrow. There might not be no tomorrow. Just do it when you can. Look at that there. Ooh, looks so good, got me sweating, y'all. Now take a look at that. Vic's Place, Seafood Board, 825 North 7th Street. Call me. Hold on, y'all, let me see something. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Look at this. Come get you one, baby. Mmm. I ain't just playing, y'all. I held back on the season, not too much seasoning, just enough to do right. I gotta do one thing just to see. I gotta see. Ooh-wee. Melting in your mouth. All right, if you want to do something one day with your Masterbuilt, do a seafood boil. Go buy you some shrimp, some crabs, everything you need to buy. And get you something. And put it on, get you some eggs. Ooh, they hot. Some potatoes. Get you a lobster tail. Get you some crab legs. I got some scallops down in here, some shrimps. Ooh. Look at these little scallops, y'all. I want y'all to see these. We got shrimps and scallops. This might last me a couple days, but I just want y'all to see what's going down. I'm gonna let you see that I ain't playing. Watch this. Watch this potato. Look at that potato. Dip it in some butter. Get you some shrimps and some butter. All right, man, we just thought we'd put something else out for you. It's hot too. Don't get me wrong now, it's hot. Whew, this stuff is steaming. Right out the bill fighter, a Masterbuilt. So subscribe, like, comment. And it ain't no chicken, it ain't no fried, nothing. It's all boiled and healthy food, seafood for you. Keep your blood pressure down and everything. So we try to be healthy in the new year. So we thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'm finna eat this and have a good night. Peace going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. See ya.
Is it good?
It really is. Ooh, I should bust one of these on. Boy, y'all just don't know.
You need some cereal?
Golly, y'all. Man, I wish y'all was here. I sure wish y'all was here. I haven't got little scallops. They turned out great. Look at that.
All right. Bye-bye.
Peace.